हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो हम एक ऐसे स्टॉक की बात करेंगे जो कि पहले बहुत टाइम से अप ट्रेंड में था। इट रीच्ड अराउंड 5 डिजिट्स एंड हाँ, ये भी एक्सपेंसिव स्टॉक है बट अभी ये 4 डिजिट्स में ही है। एंड द स्टॉक इज इन करेक्शन राइट नाउ एंड एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे रहा है फॉर इन्वेस्टर एंड फॉर ट्रेडर्स। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम हम अभी उसका टेक्नो फंडा एनालिसिस करेंगे। सो द स्टॉक नेम इज इंडिया मार्ट एंड इसका वीडियो हमने पहले भी शेयर किया था ऑन और यूट्यूब एंड ऑल्सो ऑन टेलीग्राम। एंड इसका जो चार्ट एनालिसिस हमने किया था लास्ट वीक भी। सो अगेन बेस्ड ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ पीपल वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ टेक्नो फंडा एनालिसिस वीडियो ऑफ इंडिया मार्ट and as you can see the stock had corrected in this downtrend and the high that it had made was around 9950, which is around 10,000, and the stock had corrected to around 6700. So if we see the correction, then it is almost 33% correction in India Mart in just around 96, around 100 days. So this correction was there in India Mart for the last couple of months. So अभी इसका हम chart analysis करते हैं. Let's see what is happening. सो आफ्टर दिस डाउन ट्रेंड स्टॉक ने अपना जो डाउनवर्ड जर्नी है उसको पॉज करके currently it is trading in this particular range. So if I take you to weekly chart, so as you can see here, this is the range of the candle. This is the high which is around resistance for stock at around 78.44, and this low is the support for India Mart, which is at around 66.50. So these two levels are support and resistance for India Mart for upcoming days, and this can be either accumulation or a distribution stage for India Mart. But based on the candles and also on the volumes, it can be an accumulation phase because no one, because the institution will try to sell it at higher price and not at a lower price after correction, because the company's fundamentals is also good. तो अभी अगर हम इसका अगर प्राइस और वॉल्यूम देखेंगे अगर इसमें, तो जब भी द स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रेंज, यहाँ पे जब इसके रेड कैंडल्स है, तो इसमें रेड कैंडल्स में इट इज वेर देर आर वेरी फ्यू कैंडल्स एट इज अबव एवरेज, बट देर आर ग्रीन कैंडल्स जो कि अबव एवरेज है, मतलब यहाँ पे दो कैंडल्स है, यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे अगेन दो है। रेड कैंडल में सिर्फ यही पे वॉल्यूम्स था, उसके बाद ऑल द वॉल्यूम्स आर बिलो एवरेज. So basically this shows that there is a buying interest, and also as you can see there are wicks on the lower side. So basically there is a demand for this particular stock, and the stock is getting demand from lower levels. So basically this can be an accumulation phase as of now, but if it breaks 6650, then it will be a distribution phase, and possibly the stock will go downward again. And if it breaks 78.44, then this accumulation phase will be confirmed, and then stock can start its upward journey again. So as you can see that around supported at 66.50 and resistance at 78.44. Even if it happens that it gives a breakout, then the stop loss will be 66.50 in this case. So the risk is at around 1200 points in that case. And अगर अभी का प्राइस अगर देखोगे तो it is around 73.80. So the risk, if a trader buy at this price, then the risk is around 7,700 rupees in this case, which is roughly around 10% in that case. So अभी के लिए the risk at current price is lesser. If a trader want to buy at this price, then they can look to go long at current price, because the stock is stuck in this particular range, and a trader should keep a same stop loss at 650. So this will be stop loss, and if on closing basis, if this price goes below this level, then the trader or investor should exit their position. So instead of waiting for a breakout, trader can start accumulating this stock in this particular range, and can wait for a breakout at about 78.50-44, and they can add more quantities. So if they add more quantities, then definitely their average price will be slightly higher, and they will be getting more confirmation to ride this uptrend if it gives a breakout. So this is about India Mart, and if I check the Fibonacci retracement also, so I am just erasing all the drawings in this. I am switching to weekly chart, and so this was the correction in because of COVID, because of which the price had corrected, and then this is the uptrend. Yeah, so this was the uptrend in India Mart, where the price had rallied almost uh, 500%, which is almost price had become 6x from this particular level in just around 1 year. So this was the one-sided up rally, and I have plotted Fibonacci retracement now. I will switch to daily chart in this case, and अभी अगर हम देखेंगे, so in this correction also the stock had corrected till 38.2% level. अभी तक it had not, यहाँ पे इसने अटेम्प्ट किया था इसके नीचे क्लोज देने का, but again it went above this level next day. Again I will just show it, so you can check here. One attempt was given here to close below this, and again on the next day it went above this. Again it went, it closed, it came near to this level, as you can see here, and again here also it touched exactly the same level. So 38.2% is can be a strong support for India Mart, and if this level breaks, then probably 61.8% can be the support, and the level is around the 4800. So currently the stock is getting strong demand or support from 38.2%, which is around 67,7676. And also if we see, then also the risk to reward is very good in this case, and the trader should look to long in this case, in this particular stock. And the target for this particular stock for short term will be around this level and at around this level. So basically the all-time high, and 9,000 and 9,900 can be the target for a short-term trader. A stop loss will be again this low, 66, around 6650 for a short-term trader and for investors. So after investor can again ride this particular trend if it gives a breakout about all-time high. So this is all about technical analysis of India Mart. So we will check about fundamentals now. So talking about fundamentals and the company's business. So company business is like Amazon, and but it is catering to only B2B, which this is basically the business to business. So the company is a seller, and as you can see, you can read a description in screener.in. They have described the company here, and it is selling various products like apparel, clothing, agricultural products, FMCG, everything. So this is a marketplace for B2B marketplace. So if we now check profit and loss, then company's net profit is increasing, sales is increasing year on year, and also the net profit is increasing from last few years. And if we check EPS, then it is also increasing. A company started paying dividend for the last 2 years. If we check the balance sheet, then the company reserves is increasing. Currently, the reserve is 1500 crores, and if we check borrowings, it is around 64 crores. So if we check the market cap, it is 22,000 crores. So company is a debt-free company or virtually debt-free company. Borrowings or the debt is very low for the company. So company is fundamentally good. And also you can see the company's earlier reserve was negative and now it had become positive. So basically this is a good sign for the company. If we check investors, then the promoters are decreasing stake, as you can see in this case, from 52 to 49%. But FIs have increased their stake for the last 2 years. So from 10%, they have increased their stake to 27%. So FIs are showing interest in this particular stock. And if we check shareholding pattern, and this promoters pledging is zero. So company is fundamentally strong. Promoters are slightly selling, but FIs are aggressively buying this particular stock. Company is debt-free company, and if we check PE, also the PE is 79. So, and this is all about the technical analysis and fundamental analysis of India Mart. And अगर आपने इसमें से इस वीडियो से कुछ भी सीखा हो तो you can make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos in the future. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.